So hey guys, what's up? It's Monday. It's the last Monday of 2024. Welcome back to BTV or Bulantoy TV. Alright, right now, kadaan ko lang sa Panguil Bay Bridge, the longest water spanning bridge in Mindanao. Alright, it's 3.7 kilometer, and yes, since its opening, a lot of people have frequented the bridge for picture taking, or maybe just to experience what it feels like to cross the bridge, reach the other side of Lanao, the adjacent side, which is the Misamis Occidental, and the entry point is in Tangub City. As someone who works in the tourism industry and as one of the tourism officers ng Lanao del Norte, ay pakiusap sana ako sa mga motorista at sa mga turista natin. Sana po, wag naman po natin iwanan yung ating mga basura. Kasi as much as it is our heritage and pride in Mindanao, but also we have the responsibility to take care of it. While as you can see, ay ginagawa pang reparation, may mga machines pa. But then again, it's a sore in the eye, Yung mga basura po natin, nagkalat lang po sa gilid. Nakakapanghinayang naman na yung longest water spanning bridge in Mindanao ay also bagsakan ng basura ng mga turista. Wag naman po. Panatilihin po natin ang kalinisan at ang kagandahan ng ating bridge, kasi para po mas mapakinabangan pa natin ang mas matagal at mas ma-appreciate pa ng ibang mga turista. Oy, yung mga taga Lanao del Norte o yung taga Misamis Occidental malilinis kasi yung bridge nila malinis. As we move forward to 2025, especially those who are visiting the bridge, please make sure na isapuso po natin yung basura mo, hipos mo. Huwag po nating iwanan sa gilid lang po ng bridge. Ayun lang po, isang paalala. Yeah, so this is Bulantoy TV and happy holidays guys, happy new year, and I'll see you in a bit. Bye!